Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install magic keys on cTrader. First, open the cTrader platform on your computer and navigate to the Automate section, also called cAlgo. This is where you manage all your custom cpots and indicators. Next, download the magic keys cTrader file, which is usually a.algo.cs file from the official source or a trusted provider. Make sure the file is fully downloaded and not corrupted, as incomplete files can cause errors. After that, in Automate, click on Import or go to New and Import to bring the magic keys file into cTrader. Browse your computer and select the downloaded file, then open it. This will add magic keys to your Automate workspace so you can work with it. Now, click Build or press F5 to compile the file. Watch for any errors during compilation. If errors appears, check that your cTrader version is compatible with the magic keys file. A successful build ensures the cpot will run without issues. Once the build is complete, switch to trade mode and open a chart for the asset or instrument you want to trade. This is where you will use magic keys for trading. Finally, open the cpot section in the trade mode, find magic keys and attach it to your chart. Configure any settings if needed, and now the magic key cpot is active, ready to help you automate trades, manage orders efficiently, and import your trading workflow. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.